To learn how to play the piano, you need a piano tutor, right? For art also. Through looking at a demonstration close up, you can hear what he thinks and how he does it, and hopefully you could learn a trick or two. It would seem the next step is to single out this area so that this dangles down and these will be black. The other odd areas will be here, a little bit here and a little bit there. So maybe these two shapes will become black and this will be a white shape like that, leaving behind. And I'm not going to cover that one black, this one, because if I cover that one black, the whole thing will be a circle and it doesn't really look right. This is the first piece of work that I tried another technique, and that is a thick blue line around to tell the shape. And because of the odd proportion that this reclining figure has, I cannot really cover the exact areas, because let's say for example if I cover this area black, the whole neck and face will be odd and it doesn't look good. So I would probably just leave it behind, and so that the viewers would look at the blue lines, pay attention to the blue lines instead of paying attention to the shape itself. This is again another technique that I have decided to use. Up there, most likely this will be black, and if this is black, this will be odd if this is just left behind. So black, 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 black. This will be the background. So that would be what I am planning to do right now on this one.